What's up, guys?
What's up?
Today is day 1 of our 5 days in Yosemite. We've been driving all morning and we've got just a little over an hour to go before we get there.
2 hours.
And right now we are driving through the California countryside.
Wait, we're on the Madera Wine Trail.
Oh, we're on the Madera Wine Trail. Just saw that sign.
We're spending the next 5 days in the beautiful Yosemite National Park.
Today we're taking you to Tunnel View, followed by the Lower Yosemite Falls hike.
And don't forget about our cozy cabin in the woods.
Oh yeah.
Be sure to stick around to see our epic Vrbo called the Waterfall cabin. We'll be sharing it with our siblings and their families joining us this week.
But for now, on to stop 1, Tunnel View. After a long drive, we've made it to Tunnel View.
Still
Check
no bathroom.
out this view. Oh, whoops, I'm on the wrong mode. I'm recording. I meant to take a picture. Keep holding it. All right. Welcome back to the vlog, Lawrence and Stephanie, and for the first time ever featuring Ashton. Are you excited, Ashton, to do some hikes?
Yes.
Chris and Serena doing the pose there.
Okay, one more. We gotta do it like this.
So the group has made a decision. We're going to Lower Yosemite Falls next. We're all going to meet up at the trailhead since we all have separate vehicles. So we'll see you guys there. Okay, we're learning some things today.
Early AM only.
It's been a little over 2 hours, I think, since we left Tunnel View. And we could not find any parking. It was kind of a struggle. I did not park in an official parking spot. Hopefully I don't get a ticket or I'm not in trouble. I don't think I will.
There's a lot of people parked bad.
But come early. We are parked about a mile away from the trailhead, so we're just gonna meet everybody else over there.
They're just down there.
About another hour's gone by and Lawrence and Stephanie are here. They got a spot even further up the road, but now we're here. Check it out.
Well, how many tow trucks do they have?
Yosemite Falls.
This is a scale, so that is a quarter mile.
1
And I was
fist.
just using my fist as a...
Oh, a quarter mile. What is that? Index finger.
Where are we going now? Doing this one?
On Thursday.
Oh, okay. Right now we're just doing like around here?
Right, yeah, we're just gonna do this. Don't drop your cell phone in there.
Lawrence, it's refreshing. Michael!
It's getting a little cooler. Can you feel the mist?
I can feel the mist and the temperature drop. At least 10 degrees. 14% grade.
This must be it. Let's take a look around the corner and see what we see. Wow. Was incredible. Now we're crossing the bridge and check out the view from here. It's amazing. I gotta hold my hat. Wow.
Did you get a slow-mo?
Yes.
Did you get a slow-mo?
Yes, again.
I got 3 for me and 3 for you.
Right, take 3.
Doesn't matter if they're in the ocean or not. You can still clean trash out here.
Yes, thank you, baby.
Welcome.
my glasses are wet too.
You look great.
Yours are wet too.
I know, because I was photo girl.
Oh man, that was cool. What'd you think, baby?
I love it. I can't wait to go river rafting.
You want to see some more waterfalls, or have you seen them all?
Oh, no, I need to see every waterfall there ever is.
So the trail seems pretty easy. We got a lot of paved area here, and we're kind of zigzagging through the forest, through the trees. A lot of pretty sights, big rocks, granite, and trails, or creeks rather. It's one big rock.
You know what I like about these kind of bridges?
What, these kind?
They're stable and sturdy, and you can't bounce me off. Don't try.
But look at how low these railings are, baby.
Mike, if you shove me over this, you know I'm
I
going
am
to get
not
an
shoving
injury.
you down there, okay?
You know I'm getting an injury.
But look at how pretty that water is.
It is beautiful.
So where we're going now, guys, is another viewing spot. This is kind of like a off-trail part. Well, it's part of the trail, but it's a dead-end part. An offshoot. It's a dead-end part that you can go and get another picture spot of the waterfall.
We like
So
to
we're
call
just gonna
these
go take a picture and then hike on.
side path.
Side path, that's right, or side quest.
Side quest.
Side quest is what we
Side
called
quest,
it.
guys.
Yeah. The trail has brought us back to the road. Got a nice shot of Half Dome over here.
This is the field I
we're
wanted to go in.
All right, so we're headed back to the car. We are currently at 2.5 miles since we started our hike, but we took a lot of breaks, so it wasn't too strenuous, not too bad.
No, not bad at all.
Not bad at all, but Lawrence did make us scared because he did say that there were tow trucks near our parking lot,
We parked illegally.
and we kind of made up a parking spot, so we're a little bit nervous. We're hustling to get back there, so.
We're taking a side path.
Success! We have a car.
We're back in the car.
And with
It's
no
fine.
violation ticket on it.
Lawrence.
After leaving the park, we drove to our VRBO called Waterfall Cabin. It was down a nice private road and had plenty of space for all 7 of us. There's Chris and Serena welcoming us. Let's head up to the front porch and tour the outside before heading in. The front porch is set up perfect for coffee and a sunrise view. The side has a big table just outside the kitchen window and door. Moving to the backyard, we have benches under a tree and a barbecue. Just behind me is a spa, and it's already heated with jets on for us.
Now let's head inside. Walking in the front door brings us to the living room. It's a very spacious area with 2 couches and a big TV. Steph is in the small kitchen nook, and across is the big dining room table where we had dinner every night. There was plenty of room in the fridge, and we stored most of our dry foods in the cabinet above. The kitchen came with an electric stove, big farm-style sink, and a dishwasher. Adjacent was a small bathroom with a sink, toilet, and shower. This would be Lawrence, Steph, and Ashton's bathroom. 2 sets of washer and dryers are very useful. Moving down the hallway, we see the game room, but we'll come back to that. The master bedroom is where Mike and I stayed. Super cute country feel with lots of space. The walk-in closet was more than enough room, and it comes with hangers. Our bathroom was attached to the hallway, but we were the only ones that used it. Bedroom 2 had a set of 2 drawers in place of a closet. It also had 2 queen beds and a desk. Bedroom 3 had a couple of windows for extra natural light and a king-size bed. A walk-in closet with plenty of space and an attached bathroom. Now let's take you to the game room. This door leads you down to the garage, which has been converted into the ultimate fun zone for kids and adults. TV, karaoke, stereo, ping pong, and a pool table. Behind is the bar, where Mike and I had wine.
One last thing I forgot to show you. We can adjust the firmness and the softness of our bed. Now that you've seen that and we've gotten settled in, we're gonna go make dinner.
Night 1 was my night to cook. I fired up the grill for some burgers only to find that this barbecue has probably seen some better days. The grills kept falling into the burners, and the burners themselves were all flame or nothing at all. I'm gonna have to do my best to make these burgers cook to medium. Oh my, look at that burger Lawrence is making right there.
A double?
Wow. So Betsy's making the pretzel buns. Chris had made some sauteed onions and mushrooms. We've got some fries in the mix as well.
Time to eat! And with our burgers, we have some red wine. Cheers, Beaches! Tomorrow, we're entering the park early to hike the Mist Trail. Hope to see you then.